In this video, I'm building my dream truck out of this $400 Ford F-150, making it look a little like this. $400 for this running, driving roacher.
Yeah, I'll video. You want me to stand down there and get an angle of you coming down?
Yeah, that works.
Okay.
So we just got it here in .5. We're driving her home. It actually, despite how rough it looks, it drives okay. The brakes and stuff work. We left my dad in the dust back there. She's a ripper. I'll show you the stop sign, how much of a ripper she is. I can't give her too much because there's no gas. The engine bay is coated. I didn't check the oil. It's got 283 on the mileage, but it was $400. You can't go wrong. In 2022, it's a running, driving whippersnapper. For that cheap, why not? So anyway, the brakes are a little bit weird when you're braking hard. It pulls to the left. I think it's probably a bad caliper or something. Anyway, as long as we don't have any company. There we go, baby. Oh, there's third. We got the city boy shoes pitted. Oh, it's a quicksand. I couldn't even get up. I'm trying to lift. Oh! You can hear that ASMR. I tried to do the little drift rink right here in my backyard. No luck. How's that for you? Cropland. Yeah. Yeah, I think it is a big way down. With the bow ties. Oh my God! That ski ball kind of. Want to check out what we already got going on? Welcome to MTV Cribs. Give us a tour of your house.
Do you not realize how hard I'm
Yeah, sure. Hey! Watch where you're putting your arm to.
Hey, yo!
You're gonna slice your hand.
Ow! Good thing I got a good rocker to stand on and get it right here.
Oh, the whole truck's moving. Yeah, baby. We got Roxy behind us with a punctured radiator, so we gotta make it to the ice cream store. We want to drive it there, so we're gonna tow her part of the way. The only thing we could take, of course, is the Prius. We've hit nearly 40, which is pretty good, I would say. We're towing with the Prius. Boys time. No! As if this couldn't get much worse for them. It's starting to rain outside. Brutal. Yeah, so we got to fill up the radiator. Unfortunately, it's got a small, slow leak, so we just need to kind of christen her. Yeah, that should be good. You guys ready to make the drive?
Yeah. I bet you guys didn't really know that you could actually start your car from inside the cab on these.
There she is, baby. B-roll. Yeah, some B-roll and cinnamon. Well, it appears that Roxy, with a little help from her friend Pri, made it to the igloo, the good old ice cream stand. Oh, you forgot to get the door. There she is. So we just got our ice cream. Enjoying it. You guys got some avalanches. I got a cone. I got some for Roxy as well.
Well, oh my goodness.
I gotta save some for myself. Gotta get some for Roxy. Eat up, baby girl. Maybe one more. One more right here. I'm sending her. Baseball pitch. Roxy. Delicious. Fire up for one last ride. One last hurrah. Cool her down. You got the glasses? They in there?
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna ride back with Max. Oh my god! That's the most badass video I've ever seen in my life.
So that concludes the video. Our absolute transformation of this beat up old rickety 280,000 mile Ford F-150, turning it into Roxy, the ultimate ice cream getter. Anyway, I know this isn't the normal type of content that I post, but we decided to have a little bit of fun for once and be less analytical about the funds and finances related to cars. Now, if you're a longtime subscriber, you know me as the automotive money guy, the one who tries to make money with different vehicles. Now, this one, not particularly lucrative, but albeit very, very, very fun. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, drop a like, drop a comment down below. And unlike this vehicle, if you're interested in learning how to drive your next vehicle, even your dream vehicle, whether it be this Ford or something cooler like a GTR, a Jeep Wrangler, something else, for absolutely free or even profitably, hit the link down below, check out automotivemoney.com, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.